Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNNLive. We're coming to you live from the Biotech Showcase 2012 in San Francisco. I'm here with Jim Laufenberg of ImmunoGenetix, a private company. Jim, welcome back to SNNLive.
Thanks, Shelley. It's nice to see you again.
It's good to have you.
Yeah.
I know you've got some updates because it's been a while. So why don't you give me the overview of the updates, and then we'll go from there.
Right. So it is good to be back at Biotech Showcase. We're presenting here. ImmunoGenetix is developing a lead product candidate called GenePro. GenePro, the promise of GenePro is that it can prevent HIV from progressing into full-blown AIDS in a less toxic manner. What we're seeing right now with standard of care and the antiretroviral drugs is that resistance is developing and side effects are appearing that are very untoward. We're seeing more fat and sugar in the bloodstream, for example. So the promise of DNA vaccines generally, and GenePro in particular, is that we can deliver a therapeutic approach to this patient population in a safer manner if, obviously, our trials prove to be approvable by the FDA.
So let me see if I have this correctly. There are generations of drugs and biotechs for every single kind of disease out there. HIV is no different.
Right.
So you're dealing with the next generation of treatment for HIV, it sounds like to me.
Right. That certainly is the case. And you know, what's called drug cocktails, that's what most people think about for HIV. They've been a godsend. They've really helped a lot of people over the years. And again, with the problems we're starting to see, we need some support. And so GenePro can essentially allow the clinician to take those patients off of the drug cocktails for a short period of time for a drug holiday. And even if we can just do that, or if we can also delay the usage of drug cocktails for just a little bit longer, then GenePro has its place, potentially, in the clinician's toolbox.
Well, what differentiates your product from the other products out there?
Right. So this DNA composition actually mimics the virus, the HIV virus. And so therefore, what it does, it allows the immune system to generate an immune response that we would normally do, but we can't do right now with HIV. Although there are, and this is really interesting, about 3% of the population are called elite controllers or long-term non-progressors, and they generate a memory cell that actually identifies HIV. This is what GenePro does. We've shown that in published studies in non-human primate that we can generate these memory cells. So we're very excited about our progress that we're making right now.
Well, it also sounds like you're stepping into the individualized medicine world, too.
Well, in a way we are, although we're not reconstituting the patient's own cells. So this can be manufactured. In fact, we're in manufacturing right now. We received a local grant in the state of Kansas from the Kansas Bioscience Authority. So we're validated in that fashion. We're in manufacturing. We're looking forward to taking the drug through our final toxicity studies so we can hopefully be in human trials by the end of this year.
So why are you here?
Well, you know, you got to spread the word, and obviously at the Biotech Showcase, you seek investors or partners with, in any fashion. And like I said, I'm presenting here at Biotech Showcase, and hopefully we'll just continue to generate more interest as we go along.
Sounds like a plan. What is your website?
It's ImmunoGenetix.com. ImmunoGenetix.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jim Laufenberg, ImmunoGenetix, a private company. Thank you so much for coming on to SNNLive.
Thanks, Shelley. Appreciate it.
Pleasure to have you.